Oh, my name is Muhammad Alam, and I am a senior barrister and owner of Alam Law. We are personal injury lawyer and lawyers for disability claim. Today we are going to talk about what are my options if I am unable to work. So what does that mean? It means that you are employed somewhere or you are self-employed. You have not been involved in a car accident or slip and fall injury, but because of some natural disease, you have some medical condition that was developed, and as a result, you are unable to work. So what are your options? What you can do in terms of making a disability claim, or whether or not you are eligible to make a disability claim. So in order to understand and assess what this disability claim means, there are two kinds of disability claims options available. Option number one for people who are employed, sometimes self-employed, and they have bought an insurance or a private insurance coverage for disability. So these two group of people, they may have a coverage available that's called short-term disability insurance or a long-term disability insurance. Most of the time, big organizations, they buy these coverage from insurance company on behalf of every employee. And while you're working, you would know that you are also maybe contributing some money towards the premium for that coverage. So if you have that coverage available, then the good news is for you that you can simply call your human resource department or insurance company directly, ask them to provide you the claim form number or claim form, and submit the claim form by yourself, and one piece of the information will be filled out by your family doctor, and I hope you will be approved. So generally it goes like this: you apply for short-term disability first, and after 2 months or 3 months, depends on your policy, and if you're still unable to work, then you apply for long-term disability, which essentially means that your disability will render you disabled for a long period of time, 2 years or even more. Most of the time, long-term disability will have a coverage available in your policy up to the age 65, which essentially means even today you are 40 years old. For the next 25 years, insurance company has to pay for your disability. But in our experience as a disability lawyer, we see that insurance company, when you apply insurance, the disability claim, insurance company generally, they're not inclined, they're not happy, because they know, if you have a serious medical condition and because of that medical condition you are unable to work, they may pay you for a few months, and after a few months they will deny you the disability coverage based on their own opinion, or an opinion by an insurance manager, or they may probably obtain an opinion from their doctors and say that you are not eligible any further. So in all those circumstances, you should immediately consult a disability lawyer who will be able to help you fight your claim, sue the insurance company for their wrongful denial of your disability claim. Please do not try to appeal by yourself, because the more you will try, the more document and information that you will give into an insurance hand, that may not be necessary, and that may hurt you if you go to court. So I always tell all our clients and listeners and viewers of a television show that when your claim is denied, you should immediately consult and hire a lawyer who is specialized in disability claim, or a lawyer who has experience in disability claim, including a team of lawyers at my firm who will be able to help you. The second group of people who do not have any private insurance coverage, not through their employer, they may not be employed at the time of the accident, but they still have developed some medical condition, either heart attack or kidney issues with their kidney, or internal fatigues or internal emotional psychological condition, but they don't have a coverage available from an insurance company. So those group of people, they will have two other options available. Option number one, that they can apply for CPP disability benefit, which essentially means Canada Pension Plan has also there's a provision available to apply for disability. So you can apply for that disability, and again, we always encourage people, before you apply disability through Canada Pension Plan, consult a lawyer who has experience in disability law, get some opinion from them. And if your claim is denied by CPP, lawyers like us can help you fighting that denial or take your case to appeal. And majority of the time, we as a disability lawyer, we are successful to get you approved. And again, once you are approved for that disability, you will be entitled to get the disability benefit up to the age of 65. So that's also a big relief for people who are unable to work. But for some reason, if you don't have even CPP coverage, because there are people who are just new to the country, they have not contributed to Canada Pension Plan, they have never worked, they don't have a good work history, they have not contributed, or they're not eligible to apply for CPP. For them, the provincial government, so for example in Ontario, we have another option available for those people who do not have the insurance coverage, who are not entitled for CPP disability benefit. They can apply for ODSP. And again, process is very simple. You speak to your family doctor is on board about your disability. And once your family doctor is on board for disability, then your family doctor can fill out the form, you can apply for ODSP, and you may be entitled for disability benefit for such period of time when you are unable to work. If you have any other question related to the disability issues or any other legal matter that you would like to speak to us, feel free to call us at the number given on the screen. We'll be happy to give you guidance. We'll be happy to fight an insurance denial claim on your behalf. We can take insurance company to the court and prove that insurance company's decision to deny you coverage at the first step was wrong, and get you the justice that you and your family deserve.